Okay, let's walk through this quickly. This is the dashboard for chapter 2. At the top, you can see three methods: PI, Vogel, and Composite. If you're not sure about which one applies to your well, look at the flowchart right below the header. It's live, and it highlights the correct path based on your actual pressure. So it's literally tell you use Vogel based on the data that you have, and so it's before, of course, you do any math. So on the left, you can see you can change all these numbers and set it up for your case. We have reservoir pressure, bubble point, test pressure, or PI directly if you are in composite mode. So watch the middle chart. As you can see here, it updates instantly as you change each of these data. As you can see, if I change the bubble point, yep, and as you can see at the top, the method is automatically changed. And here I'm changing. So as you can see, it's live, and it's it tells you exactly what is showing in this chart. So want to know about the flow rate at the specific PWF, bottom hole flowing pressure, drag the red IPR, and you can see the exact rate shown on the right below the calculated results. If you want to see the actual math, of course, you can click on this button, and you can see all the steps followed in this dashboard. If you want to see, it's all about showing calculation steps. It walks through PI, actually bubble point pressure, qmax, step by step using your own numbers. And if you get stuck, use the drop down at the top, and you can choose to load one of the lecture examples, reproduce it first, and try on your well data. Thank you.